Python Pickle module, pickling and unpickling in Python. Python Pickle module is mainly used for serializing and deserializing Python objects. Pickling helps to save the Python objects in binary files that can be transferred to other systems or can be retrieved later by the current system by unpickling the saved file. Pickling is a process by which the Python object is converted into a byte stream. This process is also known as serializing. Unpickling is a process by which the Python objects are retrieved from the byte stream of the pickle file. This process is also known as deserializing. Here is an example in Python. Let's write a program to pickle a Python object. At first, import the pickle module. Our object is a Python dictionary. We wish to pickle this object. That is, we want to save this object in pickle format for persistency or sharing. We can unpickle this data later by the same system, or we may share this pickled data to other systems. So, this is our object that we want to pickle. Let's begin pickling. For pickling, we need to open a binary file in write mode, that is, in WB mode. Here, data.pickle is our file where we will save the dictionary object data. Let's dump the data to the file object fp using the dump method of the pickle module. Let's run the codes in the terminal. See, a file named data.pickle is created in the working directory. Let's open the file and check the contents. As you see, the data is not clearly readable, because it's a binary file and our text editor has tried to convert the byte streams into text. Now we can reuse the pickled data during next run of the program, and we may also share the pickled data to other systems if required. This is the concept of pickling data. Pickling is simply the method of preserving the data for future use or data sharing to other systems. In our previous code, we had pickled a dictionary object. Now, we will unpickle the data in a separate program. Let's open the data.pickle binary file in read mode, that is, in RB mode. Now, we will use the load method of the pickle module to unpickle the data. We have assigned the unpickled data to the variable data. Let's print it. Let's execute the code in a terminal. And here is the output, and obviously this was our original dictionary object. That is, we have successfully unpickled the data. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. See you in our next lesson. Bye.